What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Marcella Wilson from Learn AI and ChatGPT.com. Welcome to day 14 of my Shopify AI challenge, where I go from setup to first sale in 30 days. So what I'm trying to do is set up a Shopify store completely from scratch, product and all, and everything that's included, images, emails, the whole nine, just using AI. I'm trying to see if I can do that in 30 days. So welcome to day 14. Okay, so you know how this goes. Before I get into what I did on day 14, got to get some housekeeping stuff out of the way. If you want to follow along with me in this amazing challenge that I'm just about at the halfway mark, in the description, there is a link. You can follow along with me. Every day I update this document and I have all the email links. I write about what I did, what I'm feeling, what I'm thinking, what I want to do, what I think I want to do, links to the videos, the whole nine. So that link is in the description and you can follow along with me. Also, if you're thinking about setting up a Shopify store yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get it for $1 for the first 3 months. If you know anything about Shopify, it's a great platform for e-commerce store. I love it. And it's about $39 a month for the lowest pricing plan. So to get it for $1 for 3 months, you're going to save a ton of money. And if you've never used it before, it's a great way to learn and get exposed to it and kind of play around with it for your first 3 months. All right, now that I got that out of the way, let's talk about what I did so far. So, quick recap, if this is your first time here, I am a computer science professor, AI enthusiast, AI expert. I'm always up to some AI shenanigans, and I help business owners use AI to simplify their business processes, right? So I teach business owners how to do things quicker, smarter, faster, cheaper than we ever could using AI, right? I love ChatGPT. I use many AI tools, but for this challenge, I was using a lot of Chatty, which is what I call ChatGPT because I'm always chatting with her. So we're on day 14, almost halfway through, and I've really done a lot. So I always say this, it took me 6 months, almost a half a year to start up my first Shopify store a few years ago, which failed miserably, by the way, but it's not a failure if I look at it as a learning experience, right? Okay, so I wanted to see if I could do it quicker, cheaper, faster using AI. And here we are on day 14. I've already completely set up my Shopify store. I've written emails. I've created the product, all sorts of images, created Facebook ad copy, and now my Facebook ads are running. The creatives, the images, the whole nine. So the fact that I can do all of that and just be on day 14 is pretty incredible. It's pretty incredible. But here I am, day 14, where it took me months upon months just to do that with physical products using when I did it a couple of years ago. Okay, so my product, I know you're maybe thinking, how can you create a product so quickly? Well, Chatty recommended that I use print-on-demand suppliers to create, to sell print-on-demand products, right? So I decided that my first product would be a mug with funny, witty sayings on the front. Now, I'm not going to tell you who my target group is because I think that in order for Facebook ads to be successful or a business or a brand to be successful, you have to market to somebody, right? A specific group of people. So my mugs are marketed to a specific group of people. So I have witty, funny sayings on mugs, print-on-demand mugs, so I don't hold any inventory. So I will tell you a little later who I'm targeting my mugs to. But anyway, I created some mugs with funny sayings on them, and I picked a print-on-demand supplier, and I set up Facebook ads, and hopefully someone will buy them. So On day like 11, I set up Facebook ads, let them run, and now I'm on day 14. So I told you yesterday, all I did was just check the Facebook ads because I was taught, I paid a whole lot of money to take this course on Facebook ads. So it was worth every penny, by the way, because you got to learn marketing skills. You got to learn how to sell. So I talked about yesterday how when you set up Facebook ads, the first thing it does is it enters a learning phase, right? Where it's learning who I should show my ad to. It's learning who is most likely to buy this product. So you don't do any, you just set them up and you kind of let them run for a few days. So I set it up on day 11. Now we're on day 13. And I kind of have a rule that we were taught in this class that Facebook is so good. Facebook uses AI, by the way. So this is also using AI. It's also part of the challenge, right? Because Facebook uses AI. I don't know if you knew that, but Facebook uses AI to, make sales and to show ads to people, in addition to its humongous platform that has all these users. But Facebook is so good that within 3 days, you should get a sale. If you don't get a sale, then within 3 to 5 days, then it's probably something wrong with your ad copy. It's probably something wrong with your images. Something is wrong on your end. So I was trained like after 3 to 5 days, just shut it down, start over, right? So I'm on day 3 and I have not made any sales. I'm at 0 sales. And I'm like, okay, so I've got 2 choices. My two choices are choice 1, I'm still in the learning phase, right? I'm on day 3 of running the Facebook ads, so I can wait a couple more days, right? I can wait a couple more days, look at the numbers. I do notice that certain ads are getting more views. So I can just wait 2 more days and see if I get a sale in 2 more days. Or I can make some adjustments. So I will say this, that I am only using images for my ads. And I know that Facebook is big on video as well, reels and videos. So I'm wondering if my ads aren't selling because I don't have video ads. So normally when I set up ads, I do a mix of video and image ads. And since I was just using AI, at the time I just had my images. So I just went with what I had. I have not gotten a sale yet. So I'm going to have to make tomorrow's day 15. So I'm going to have to make a decision if I don't make a sale by tomorrow, whether to just, let it run for a few more days or to add some videos and see how that does. See if that changes things because Facebook is big on video. What do you think I should do? I'll probably ask Chatty what I should do, but I'm probably going to, if I don't make a sale, add video. All right, that's all I got for you. It's decision time for me, and that is what it is like, right? When you set up your Shopify store, it's all beautiful. You got your product. You kind of have to, and you start running those ads, you just kind of have to take a breath and monitor them and cross your fingers and hope for the best. And if it doesn't work out, reroute, redo, don't give up. Just rework things until you find a winning ad that makes sales. So we'll see. I'm on day 3, no sales. I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for listening. Again, follow along with me. If you like this video, like it. Please subscribe to my channel where I talk all things AI for business owners. Hope you found some value in this video. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.